Are you ready to transform your cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is the ultimate kitchen upgrade you've been searching for. This powerhouse boasts 9-in-1 functionality, consolidating a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, sterilizer, cake maker, and food warmer into one sleek device. Imagine decluttering your countertops and preparing diverse, delicious meals with just one appliance. It truly simplifies your entire cooking process. With 15 customizable smart programs, from poultry to oatmeal, dinner is literally at your fingertips, taking all the guesswork out of meal prep. This isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a smart cooking system designed for busy individuals who want efficiency without compromising on taste. Plus, its durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking and effortless cleanup, a crucial feature for any busy home chef. If you're wondering where to buy this incredible appliance, you can find the best deal using our exclusive Amazon link in the description below. The Instant Pot Duo Plus really stands out by combining so many functions with intuitive controls, making gourmet cooking accessible to everyone. For anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen for 2025 and make cooking exciting again, this is absolutely worth the investment. So if you're ready to cook smarter, not harder, grab your Instant Pot Duo Plus today. You won't regret this amazing addition to your home.